You really don't need that motherfucker. You can take the shortcut by being open-minded, but you can be harder than you want. Don't listen to that now, motherfucker. Live will show you. Live will show you what's up. Oh. You know what? Only thing I hate about that is when I be making it click and it go. You a real cartoon ass nigga. You know that you ought to go to Hollywood. That nigga down there took that nigga foot the other day and put him on Facebook and I seen him. You ain't gonna get no job till the pirate. What it is? The boy in Atlanta, he ain't want you cause he gay and you ain't gonna give him no dick. So you might well stop that video.
The boy in Atlanta?
Yeah. Tyler Perry, whatever his name is.
I don't want to get down with that, gay
why
bitch.
You videoing the motherfucker like you trying to sell something? That's what I'm talking about.
I'm trying to